This is the Hello World Podcast. What's your list like in the 4-year culture transformation?
All transformation journeys, that's why you call it a journey, because it takes time. We are entering our 5th year of that journey, and I'd say we're probably only 60-70% there. But to me, that's already tremendous progress compared to where we were before. There is never any rest in the search for excellence. That's something that, we will continue to chase and dream about. In terms of challenges, yes, there were naysayers. There were people who initially didn't buy into it. There were people who said, we've been doing things like this for the longest time. Why do we need to change it? That's precisely the reason why we had to change things, because we had a different goal. We weren't happy being number 8. To be among the top 5, we indeed had to make changes. When these people started seeing the results, improved number of applications, improved delinquency, improved profitability, it also started winning hearts and minds and getting more people to subscribe to the strategy.
There could be some constraints with the bigger enterprise. Have you experienced that, and how did you deal with it?
Okay, so I like that question because when I first joined Bankcard, that was also one of the questions that I had from the organization. To the people who interviewed me, I said, how much control would I have over the business? And they told me, it's your show as long as you don't screw it. Screw it up. So, to me, that was very important because that made me feel empowered as well, that I had their trust for as long as I didn't mess things up. So because I had their trust, I was also very careful in terms of all the strategies that we implemented. I made 100% sure that these were definitely the right things that we wanted to do for the company longer term. Having the trust from the top is indeed very important. And how is it that I keep them informed? I have regular update meetings with them. So on a monthly basis and on a quarterly basis, we keep them updated on the business result and on the high-level strategies. And they will provide feedback every now and then, and we do need to make some tweaks. But overall, there is a lot of alignment, which just made my job a lot easier.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.